situation.
Prank?
Yeah, like a long time ago.
That was a prank?
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
Can you do me one favor?
Hmm.
Small favor. Can you tell me to go back to my country, please? Please?
Oh my gosh, no.
Why?
Those are old mistakes that happened. We don't
Mistake? Once a racist, always a racist. That's what they say. What?
It's not right. Yeah, no.
Bitch, what you say? I'm not talking to you. Get out the camera. You're too pretty for the camera. Get out. Get out the camera. You're too pretty. We don't want to see your face. We don't want to see your face. We don't want to see your face. You're too pretty. You're too pretty for us. Get out. Bitch, get out. I don't want to fucking see your face. I don't want to 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 see your face.
Why don't you show your face?
I'm too pretty for the screen.
I feel that.
My face will be coming very soon.
Like, hide my face.
No, you're decent, but like the girl next to you is just a whole monster. Like, Stop this fake personality. Why are you being so nice on live? Because the people you be meeting, I know you be rude to them.
See, I don't get that. Yeah, I'm like such a nice person, actually.
No, you're not. Stop this act.
Yeah, it's such an act.
Yes, it is such an act. It's such an act. It is an act. Stop playing dumb with me. I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb, Danielle Cohn. So what's happening between you and Mark Gomez? I seen y'all kissing once.
What?
That's a video. I seen a video of you kissing Mark Gomez.
No, I've never kissed Mark Gomez before. What?
Bitch, stop lying. Stop lying. How was Luca? I seen you in the bed with Luca too.
Oh,
with that sexy little thong. Do you still have that? Can we see the thong, please? Can we see the thong?
This is my first time guesting her, and she's already pulling out everything that's ever happened to me.
What you mean?
Huh?
What you mean?
You just know everything
like,
about
it's
me.
just mistakes, right? Like you said. There's just a bit too many mistakes, like you said. So I just want to know if you still have that beautiful thong.
Oh my.
I know that shit smelled like a whole sweaty boy's gym. I felt so bad for the boy in you in the bed. You probably had your whole pussy out begging for you to be licked. You were probably like, Luca, come lick me clean. That's what you were probably doing. I know how you like.
You know me?
Yes.
How do you know me? I don't even know you.
I do know you. We're childhood friends. We've been friends all of our life, but you don't remember me?
I do not remember you.
Why not? Stop lying, Danielle. You know me. I was one of the people in the Marilyn Monroe music video.
You were definitely in the Marilyn Monroe music
video. Bitch, yes I was. Fuck you talking about? I was in it. What?
You're just
So who you gonna date next?
I'm not dating anyone.
Just get back together with Mikey, please. Like, I'm not even trying to be funny or be mean. Like, I just want you to be together.
Why? Why do you want us together so bad?
Because I see the edit of you. It was so cute. Like, what's getting in the way?
I don't know.
Tell us all. Your secret's safe with me.
There's literally like 8,000 people on this live.
Okay, and they can keep their mouth shut.
Oh my god.
Tell us, please.
Shit, if y'all really knew.
What? Knew what?
This is so funny. I cannot.
I'm not laughing. I'm just trying to know.
Why do you want to know so bad?
Because I want y'all to be together.
You don't seem like the person that like wants people to be together.
What you mean? You think I want that curly-headed, thin lip, paper cut lip freak?
Huh?
That's all yours. That's all yours. Trust me. You have such clear skin, Danielle. Give us tips. How to have such clear, beautiful skin.
No, I really don't. That's why I have acne cream. I'm trying to.
Girl, that's what I'm saying. You need to go to Target and buy some Proactive. That shit looks hideous. You can play dot to dot on your face.
Yeah, I know. I really want to clear it up.
Why was I invited to your trip when you went to Hawaii?
I don't
I
know
wanted
you.
my invite.
I
Bitch,
don't
you do know
like
me.
that.
I'm
No, this is my
Alvaro's
first time
sister.
guessing you. I don't know
I'm
you.
Alvaro's little sister. What you mean?
You are not Alvaro's little sister.
Yes, I am. What you mean?
Show me your face.
Bitch, you want me to show my face that badly? I'll do it.
Okay, do it.
Okay, hold on. Give me 5 seconds. I'm just about to get ready to show my face to the world.
I'm actually very excited to see your face.
Okay, but you better not take a picture. I'm a bit shy. I'm camera shy. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hello, my name is the Mega Agatha Medusa Louise. I'm a soul trapped inside of a plastic doll and it needs to be unleashed. I want you to come here and break me and beat me up so you can take the soul and transfer it to yours. Because I want to live with you forever. I want to live with you forever, Daddy. I want to live with you forever. Please. Please. What's wrong? Oh, what?
That's not you. Show your actual face.
That's me.
No, it's not. Show your face.
How'd you know? Is there a problem because I'm black?
What? What?
Do you want me to go back to Jamaica?
Are you from Jamaica? Are you from Jamaica?
No, hell no.
I'm confused.
I'm confused too. Anyways, how's you and Suarez Malcolm? How's you and Malcolm?
We were never anything. We've always just been.
Girl, I seen you get touchy in the TikTok.
Oh no, that was a joke. That was a long time ago. It was a joke.
Bitch, I don't find that shit funny. I find it serious.
Well, that's too bad.
Too bad for what?
I don't know.
What do you mean? I don't know. Why you always looking at her? Why can't you just speak to me straight one-on-one?
I am speaking to you straight 101.
No, because you always have to look to your friend.
Because you're funny. You're just a really funny person.
How am I funny? I'm not trying to be funny.
Well, you're funny.
Well, I'm not funny to me.
Well, this is a compliment. Take it as a compliment. You're funny.
But I don't want a compliment.
Rashawn, you have a picture of her?
No, he doesn't have a picture of me. He's just trying to get attention. He wants those views.
Rashawn.
He doesn't have a picture of me. Stop asking, bitch. Stop asking, bitch. He doesn't have a picture of me. Stop asking.
Wait,
Okay,
Rashawn,
I'm gonna get.
He doesn't have a picture of me. Shut the fuck up.
Rashawn, send it to
Shut the
me.
fuck up. Shut the
No,
fuck
we're
up.
gonna show your picture. I want to see your picture.
Bitch, there is no picture of me.
Or guess Rashawn.
Rashawn, send it to me.
No, that's a fake picture. It's not me. It's not me. I know how I look. If you want to see a face so badly, get to the mirror. I don't give a fuck. That's not me.
Guess him.
I
He's
swear-
lying.
I'm
He's
guessing-
lying.